So guys, welcome back to my channel, the Token Trackers, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can increase your mining speed on the Pi project. So this video is going to be very informative and educative, so please make sure that you sit back, relax and watch from the beginning to the end so that you understand and learn how you can increase your mining speed in the Pi project to be earning more from this video. Before we go into that, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, or if you are new into my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. The referral system of the Pi project, I have always said it in my video that it is one of the most trickish of all referral systems in projects that I have participated in so far. Why do I say so? It is simple. For you to maximize the potentials of the referral system, you have to invite busy people, you have to invite proactive people, and you have to invite people that knows what they are doing, and then they are doing exactly that. Whenever you refer people that are unserious, you end up not having the best out of the Pi project. But that does not rule out the fact that referring friends will still help in boosting your earning rate. The referrals is also going to play a huge role in how much mining rate you are going to be operating on. So that is one of the ways. So the first way is that you can refer your friends, and I've told you, if you don't have people that are serious, do not engage in this, because at the end of the day you end up discovering that you will not get the Pi that you mine through those unserious referrals. So that is the first way. If you click on the mining rate right here, you see that I'm earning 0.033 per hour. So that is the Pi I'm earning, and this is the base rate right here. So this is the base times the boosters. So the boosters is this one right here. So I'm earning this times this, then times the reward. The first method I'm going to be showing you how to increase your mining rate will be through boosters. So how does it work? So you have to come over right here in the configure. So once you are in the configure, this works when you lock your tokens. So for you to get the best out of it, you can see that we have two options. We have the lockup percentage, and then we have the lockup duration. So what does this mean? If you lock up your asset, this is the percentages of which you can lock up your asset, and then this is the duration. So for example, if I click right here and then click right here, it means that I have locked up my lockup percentage is 25, and then my lockup duration is 2 weeks. So it means that when my Pi tokens have been transferred, that is moved from transferable right here, let me just go back and show you. Let me come to magnet right here. So it means that once my Pi has been moved from transferable and sent to migrated, that is to magnet, it will my tokens will be locked up for 2 weeks, and the percentage that will be locked up is 25%, meaning that I will have access to the remaining 75. It means that the 75% I will be able to withdraw, but the 25% I will only be able to withdraw it after 2 weeks from the day it is transferred to my magnet. And then if I click on 100, it means that 100% of my tokens will be locked. It means all my tokens will be locked for 2 weeks, and then before I will be able to have access to it. So if I increase the lockup duration to 1 year, it means that once my tokens are transferred to magnet, it means that they will be locked up. All of them will be locked up. If this is how I set it, it means that they will all be locked up for 1 year before I will be able to have access to it. So after the 1 year, they will be unlocked, and then I will have access to my tokens. And then you see that by the time I'm increasing all of either of these things, my boost mining rate right here is increasing. So if I move to 3 years, you see that it has, look at it, 1 year it is 260%, and then if I move to 3 years, it is 497 right here, and then the lockup percentage is 100. It means that I've locked every single thing, and this is how much boosting rate it will be. So for you to enable this, you have to just come here, tick mark right here, and then click on increase commitment. So any changes you are making here, if you want to effect it, if you want them to be active, you have to click on the increase commitment right here. So that is the way. So that is another way for you to increase your mining rate. Then the next one will be how to get it through rewards right here. Now this reward, I'm going to be talking about utility. So that is what I'm going to be talking about. Now how can you increase it through utility. Now what is utility? Let's just go back, come over to this section right here, and then come to Pi utilities. So these are the Pi utilities. It is what gives Pi the value. It is what gives Pi the power that it has in operating. You know, recently Pi was ranked among the top 11 cryptocurrencies that has ever existed, and it is because of the power of these utilities. I have said it in one of my videos that Pi is a social app. It is a social app just like Instagram, just like Facebook, and so on. And then I know you might refute it, but don't worry, you are going to know. So how can you increase your mining rate through the utilities right here? So come over to the profile section right here, click on it. So once you click on the profile right there, it is going to take you to this page. Now before I come over to this page, let me show you another thing. Let's go to the Pi browser. So this is the Pi browser, and these are also its utilities right here. So these are the same utilities I've told you there. So for this video, I'm going to make use of two utilities right here. I'm going to make use of the Fireside right here, and then the profile section right here. So how can you increase your mining rate by using these two? If you come over to the profile section right here and click on it, just wait for it. It is going to load up. And then once it loads up like this, you see your social media account, your Pi social platform account. So it means that right here you can send friend requests just like in Facebook. You can send friend requests, you can receive, and you can also, you know, like that, interact. And then if you come over to view friends, you will see that I have friends right here. So on friends, these are my friends right here. So, and if you come over to request, there are two people that have currently sent me friend request. So for each person, let me just tell you right here, if you don't have friends request, make sure that you come back to this section and then add me. So once you come over like this is how your page will be. So you just have to click my name right here. Just click on Desmondcg. So CG. So that is that. So once you click on search and send me a friend request, I will accept it immediately and also follow you back. So by us interacting like that, sending friend requests, then we are going to be getting more friends. You might be telling yourself that you don't know much people that are using Pi. So how can you get more friend requests? I'm going to give you a platform here to do that. So make sure that you go to the comment section and post the name of your Pi profile. Just post it. This is my own right here. So post your own in the comment section, and please, if you see any name in the comment section, go and add them, send them friend requests. And also, if anybody sends you friend requests, make sure that you accept it. Let me accept these two people right here. So don't reject anybody, because as you are rejecting anybody, it will also be affecting your account. So make sure that you receive as many as possible, and then also send as many as possible. Anybody that searches my name right there and then send me a friend request, remember, I will follow you back immediately. Another way for you to get massively, let me just tell you, this one is a secret I'm revealing to you. Go to you can go to X, you can go to YouTube. Any video that you see about Pi, about how to increase your mining rate, just go to that there, comment your username. Once you comment your Pi username, tell them to also go and follow you. Tell them there in the comment section there they should follow you, that you are following back. So you will discover that you will start generating followers like that. You don't need to know everybody, so it is like a community. So we can do like that and get massive friends. So as we are getting those friends, we will be growing our mining rate. So guys, that is the first one. Now let me talk about this particular one right here, which is the Fireside. So let's look. Once you click on it, it is going to open up. Pi is a social app. It is a social project. It is just like Facebook. So this Fireside is where you can interact, you can post your post, and then like, comment, and then share, and things like that. And then you can see it loading up. Then once you come over to this page, you can see that there are different posts. These are posts in the home section right here. These are posts that people have posted. You can see people are interacting. You see so, and then you can see the reactions of people. Look at the reactions of people right here, and these are the coins that they have used. This number of reactions have used right here. And then just scroll through it, you can see more posts. You can see look at it. You can just look through it. So you can actually create your own post by simply coming over right here. So I actually created a post, but then if you look at it, look at, somebody has removed it. They say this post has been deleted by a moderator. I'm going to still speak about that. So a moderator has deleted my first post. For you to post, you need tokens. Now if you look here, you see buy tokens with Pi. So these are tokens, and this is the price in Pi. These tokens are simply like in-app currency. Just like on Telegram, we have Telegram stars where you can purchase to interact on Telegram activities. So these tokens that they are talking about right here are what would license you to be able to interact on this Pi social app right here. And then you can get it through paying with Pi. Now let me just tell you, for you to pay with Pi, that Pi must have been migrated to your mainnet and it is unlocked. That is when you'll be able to use this feature right here. If you mine Pi and it has not been migrated, you won't be able to use this particular feature. So if you don't have any migrated Pi, what is the next way for you to earn tokens? You can simply watch an ad right here. So by watching an ad, you'll be earning more tokens. If you look right here, you see that I have 2 tokens right here. I actually got them by watching an ad, so I can still click on it. So once I click on watch an ad, like
with all social media platforms want to.
So once you watch the ad like this, it will just come back right here and then verify it. Once it has verified, you can see congratulations, we are adding the tokens you have received from watching an ad to your Fireside account. Then I can just cancel. So once I cancel, you see that I now have 3 tokens right there. And then the second way is for you to become a moderator. For a moderator, there are so many activities that you need to be doing. In this home section, you have to be going through people's comments, deleting posts and comments that are not okay to this platform. And then that is why you discover that on this my post right here, a moderator deleted. So by the person interacting and deleting like that, the person is getting more of these tokens, and those tokens he can now use it to interact and increase his mining rate. So by doing that, by your interactions in this page, you are getting that. So how can you interact? There are so many ways. So if you just click on add right here, let's say for this post, like right now like this, you see the sun right here, so you can read through it. Pi is just beginning. It has risen powerfully in the world like the sun. So that is that. So I want to react to this, so I'll just click on the ad right there and it will open up to this page. You can see I have the option to comment. If I want, I can just say Pi to the moon, Pi to the moon, moon. Yes, that is that. So Pi to the moon, and then I can decide to pay 1 token. So you have seen it. So I'll just click on 1, pay with 1 token. So once I've clicked that, so that is an activity I have done in this social platform. So if you come back to my tokens right now, you see that I have 2. I have spent 1 already, so I just have 2. So I can watch ads and get more. So by doing that, by interacting like that, you are increasing your mining speed. Now if you head back to the Pi app, I have done a little interaction. So back in the Pi app, you discover that all the activities I've done, my mining rate has not changed. It has not changed from what it was. Now why has it not changed? It is because these activities I just showed you, these methods in which you can use to boost your account, it takes some hours, it takes some time before they will be able to verify it and add it to your mining rate. So guys, those are the ways that you can use and speed up your mining rate. There is another one right here which is about Node. I can only run this using my laptop, using a system. So for this video I'm using my phone. So once I switch to my system, I'm going to also make a video like that and post it and show you. And then look at it right here. Yesterday I did an interaction. Now look at it right here. I now have 0.02 utility. As at the time when I first started this thing yesterday, I had 00 here, just like I have 00 here. Now I'm now earning 0.2 right here, adding to it. So because of my interaction yesterday and the one I've done today, probably it will add up to this one by the time I'm making another video, and then I'm going to show you and then let you understand it more. So guys, that is that, and that is what I wanted to share with you in this particular video. That will be all for now. Please do remember to hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.